Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia, and tonight the strawberry moon rises. This June moon got its name from wild strawberries that are starting to ripen around this time. Other names for this moon include rose moon, hot moon, and mead moon. The strawberry moon shines abundant, loving energy to those who view it, and it is the perfect full moon for relationship spells. Do you have relationship problems? What if you don't have any spells to work with? I got you. Today's magical cocktail is called Strawberry Moon Daiquiri. This concoction contains love-inducing strawberries, uplifting lavender, and the depth and sweetness of dark rum. This is another great potion to invite love, abundance, and happiness into your life. Apparently, this potion is the perfect complement to spells that cater to opening up the heart in order to receive love and blessings. So maybe you are hesitant when it comes to finding love. Maybe you have a hard time opening up about how you really feel. Maybe you just want a nice, refreshing strawberry cocktail for these hot summer days. Either way, you can't go wrong with a loving and chilled, delicious cocktail. So without further ado, let's craft our Strawberry Moon Daiquiri. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need fresh strawberries, dried lavender buds, rose water, vanilla syrup, lime juice, and dark rum. Alright, so first, slice up one medium strawberry. Grab a cocktail shaker and add your strawberry, as well as 1 teaspoon of lavender, half a teaspoon of rose water, and 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla syrup. Muddle them together. And add 1 ounce of lime juice, as well as 1.5 ounces of dark rum. Add ice, and shake hard to get as much strawberry flavor as possible. Double strain your cocktail into a coupe glass. Lastly, garnish with a strawberry. And ta-da! Strawberry Moon Daiquiri is complete! If you want to do some advanced magic, harness the energies of the Ace of Cups tarot card. This is one of my favorite cards, as it represents the beginning of emotions and opportunities. It encourages you to open up your heart to love, so that you may receive the blessings coming your way. Taste test time! Alright, cheers! Okay, this is a very flavorful drink. I actually didn't think that this would have a lot of strawberry flavor since the strawberry that I had wasn't very sweet, but it's actually not bad. It is a bit on the sour side, but I think that's just how daiquiris are supposed to be. I like that the rum is helping balance out the lime in here. You do get floral qualities from the lavender and the rose water, but you don't actually taste them individually. This is definitely more alcohol forward, so I am feeling it. Would I make this again? I don't know. Maybe if I didn't put so much lime juice in here, I'd probably like it a little better. Would it still be a daiquiri at that point? I'm not really sure. But maybe I just personally don't like daiquiris that much. Ooh, I bet if I made this with Japanese strawberries, this would be insanely good. I always feel like it's a hit or miss when it comes to strawberries in Toronto. They can either be very sweet and flavorful, or they just taste like sour water. Usually the latter. Is that a metaphor for relationships? Or you can just dunk the strawberries in sugar. Put in the work to make your relationship sweet. Go out there and do something sweet for your partner. Every moment is a chance for you to bring some happiness to the people you care about. Trust me, it's worth it. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that your relationships are as sweet as Japanese strawberries. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, come chat with me down in the comments below. I honestly love seeing comments. I'm always so excited to read them. Anyway, until then, class is dismissed. Stay magical!